On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not working after updating in less than 1 minute. First thing guys you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then just scroll until you find the apps manager. Click on the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds. After that, search for Instagram like this. Click on the storage or the internal storage option, click on clear data and click on delete, and then click on clear cache, and you can do the same thing on iPhone by the way. Now you have to go into the power usage details, go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it, and then click down here on this force stop to stop the GPS, CPU and the power analysis at all. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.